started thinking, what if like 2018 I was like, let's be a vlogger. And like, why not start it in the ocean by myself? Because there's literally no one else in the water. Like, it's just me. There's that kid. And then there's like no one else. Just a little like crazy Canadian in the Cali water. In their winter. Ah! Might have been a bad idea. I don't know. It's not that warm. But it's fine. Yeah. Will I post this? Will this video see daylight other than right now? I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Awkward struggle. Oh my gosh. We're trying to get this as profesh as we can. Wow. Okay, so I've decided 2018 I'm gonna attempt to be a YouTuber. So I don't know, we'll see. I'm feeling inspired in the midst of doing a hairdo, so I'm not like a professional YouTuber, obviously. But I mean, you have to start somewhere. So I'm super into beauty. I don't wear makeup that often, but I hoard it. I would show it to you, but I've kind of shambled it to attempt to make this very sad tripod of mine, which I will need to invest in like a real tripod, because right now I just have a stack of makeup boxes. It's looking real good. So I just got the Beautylish mystery box, lucky box. I don't even know what it's called because professionalism is not what I do apparently. But I just got it, and I know that people are always super interested in this kind of thing, and I'm super impatient, so I figured, why not now? I literally went and met the FedEx man looking like this. I shouted to him from my veranda because I heard him back up, and I'm in a condo complex, and I don't have a beeper. Like, it just doesn't work. I don't know, we never set it up, so I was trying to figure out what to do, because the last time I ordered from Beautylish, because I live in Canada, they like sent it way down south in the city, and I was like, and it was just a hassle. So I was like, I need to get a hold of this FedEx person. So I heard the truck backing up, and I like screamed out it was cute. So anyways, without further delay, let's open up this lovely box. Okay. Ooh. Okay, there's a lot happening. So let me let you in here for a minute. Ugh, sloppy. So there's like cute packaging. There's this little slip on this cute little sticker, which no one can see because lighting is not what I do yet. Okay. So let's see what's happening up in here. So this little tag. Let's read it without tearing anything apart. Got him. So yes, there's a bunch of little people, and they're all like super cute. Oh, oh, do I do this? That did nothing, but that's fine. I'm gonna look orange the whole time. I'm not orange. I look like Donald Trump, Oompa Loompa. They're like the same thing. I'll work on lighting in the future as well. So the beginning part, from what I remember watching like people last year do, it seems to be the same, like their New Year, Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. So this year's lucky bag are brought to you by the 7 lucky gods who travel the world in their magical treasure ship to grant good fortune in the coming year. So I'm hoping to get good fortune, and I'm hoping it's starting with this box. So let's open it. I want to save it. The last time I bought stuff from Beautylish, like they had really cool paper then too. It just sucks that like Canadian dollar, y'all. It's sad. Okay, so there's a big thing on top. Okay. I wanted to buy the big box, but you can't buy it unless you're an American residente or like shipped to a place in America. It would not let me ship to Canada, so there's a bunch of things in here. Okay. There's a Jeffree star. What easy. I hope it's not one I have, because this was something I had gotten. So it's the color Nathan. Can we read that? Can we read that? Can we read that? There it is, backwards, because it's the way that things are. Okay, let's open him up. So it's a lip color. It's kind of orangey, so I'm a little nervous. It's a little chilly about how that's gonna look on me, but I'm down to test it out, y'all. Oh, it's more nude than orange. The sticker was deceiving. So let me try to get you out of the starlight over here and see if I can, like, hello. See if I can show you. Like, it looks orange, but it's more nude. Can I, like, move it around to get a better visual? Not really. Well, anyways, if you can take my word for it, it's more of a nude color. So that's cute, that's cute. There's a Natasha Denona. Get hype. Okay, please hold. So this is just their, like, regular box. I'm a fiend for, like, squishy bubble stuff. Am I making sense? No, I'm not. That's fine. Okay, so it's the eyeshadow palette 5. Can't. Okay. Grow up, woman. So let's see what's in here. Okay. So they're all, no, they're not. I'm lying to myself. They're not all mattes. They are, it's kind of weird though. It looks like it's shifted. Is there supposed to be a brush? Is this what it's supposed to do? I don't know. I'm a little confused, but that's fine. I'll take it. Okay. So there are 2 metallics, 1 shimmer, and 2 mattes. Let me show you this again without it falling apart. So that's what they look like. Again, poor lighting, so you can't tell. So from what I can tell, this one is Panisia. The next one is Sandstorm. This one is Arizona. This one is Flamingo. And this one is Umber. That's if they're in there in the right direction. And I might have butchered all the names. I don't know. Unprofessional. So, that's that. Okay, packaging. Bye, go bye. Sun Design palette by Terry. I've never heard of the brand Terry, but maybe that's like an exclusive America thing. Please hold while I get scissors so we don't have to listen to that squishing sound all day. My battery's apparently also dying. It was full before, but professionalism. Let's see if we can make it. Okay. So, Terry Sun Design palette, Sunkiss powders, bronzer, blush, and a highlighter. So it's like, it's looking like this. Let's open her up. Ooh, she's in a Velvet case. How bougie. So it's purple velvet. It's very luxe. Ooh, bougie. Ooh, I like the packaging. So it's like purple with gold. Try not to blind you with this lovely light, makeshift light that I have. She gorgeous! Okay, you can't see because obviously the light is garbage. But it's like a bright pink and then a bronze and then like a deeper kind of maroony color. And then like a gold, a dusty rose, and kind of a lavender color. So that's beautiful, even like to use as eyeshadows, because I don't know how I'd use those colors all that well. We're gonna work on it. Professional, like this is video number 1, so. You know, if you're new to my channel, so am I. So feel free to subscribe, hit that like, get this baby rolling. Yeah, I'm excited. I'll see about leaving links to my social medias, you know, the whole 9 yards. So next is a Wayne Goss brush 20. It looks like it's like a blending brush or like a crease brush. It's very soft. That's nice. Yep, into it. You're gonna go here with my other blenders. There you go. You are already home. Done. Next, I got a high adherence silicone primer from The Ordinary. Come on, light, stop blinding us all. Okay. Please hold. So it's not like one of their squeeze droppers, it's just like a bottle. You can't, okay, there we go. So yeah, this obviously has silicone in it, so it's not silicone free, obviously. Use as the last step in skincare regimen, either on its own or as a makeup primer. So there you go, after all of your hydrations and serums, smack that baby on there. Clean Apothecary Blush Shampoo. Blush, nope, Sarah can't read. Brush shampoo. So it's just like a little brush cleaner. I have a couple of these, so we'll see. And it's like the scent, I think, is rose. I don't know if they forgot the accent and it should have been rosé because it smells like wine, which I'm okay with. So yeah, it's just white. You can't, oh, kind of. There's a bit of a dent in it, which I'm kind of like, that's interesting. Oh, okay. That's neat. So it's scented, which I'm a little iffy about. I don't know if my skin will like that because I do have sensitive skin. So if you have sensitive skin, then I don't know how well like fragrancy things go with you. So just know it's not super potent, but like you can notice it. So that was package number 1. Let's see what's happening over here. Oh my god, what's happening? Oh, wait, that's it? This is just a bag of paper. Wow. Okay, so I don't know how much each of those items cost right now. I will see about looking it up and posting it either on the screen if I can figure that out, or in the description I will post what each of them are if I can find it. And then I'll let people know what the total is one way or another. Also, shout out to Jenny, who packed my box. Let's take a look. Thanks, girl. You can't see because of the shadows. But, yeah, so, you know, that's it. Future videos, I'm hoping to not do all of this. Maybe put some actual makeup on my face and not use this light. So, yeah, here's to 2018. I hope you enjoyed my little prequel video. That one before this one. For those of you that stuck through this video, thanks. For those of you who come back, thanks. For those of you who don't, be nice. I don't know. Yeah, so I'm hoping to make more videos. I'm hoping this isn't like a first and last kind of thing. I'm gonna keep myself motivated to try to keep posting, and I apologize. I mean, this is the end of the video, but still, like, I apologize in post to editing because I don't know what kind of editing I'm gonna use to edit this video, so, you know, it's all just a new learning experience. So hit that subscribe, hit that like. Let's see if we can make something of this tiny little hole in the wall that is my channel. Thanks, y'all. Bye. Can't figure out how to turn off my camera. Professionalism.